Today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Amazon Prime Student. So if you are a member of Amazon Prime Student and if you have already subscribed to it, you can log in within a couple of steps. So all you do is open up your web browsers and search for Amazon Prime Student. Once you search it, you just need to enter in the first website, which is of amazon.com, and you'll land on this interface. Now all you do is click on Try Prime Student and just log into your account. Now these details are the same of your amazon.com account. Type in your email address or your phone number and the password of your account. After you do, click on sign in, but if you don't remember the password, you can click on forgot your password and you'll be able to reset it using your mobile number or your email address. And just like that, you will be logged into your Prime Student. Because I'm not subscribed to the Prime Student, it's showing me some of the details to fill in. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Keep watching.